Here I got Blackview BV9700 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset on the following device. So as you can see, it's currently locked and I do not remember my pattern. So at first let's switch off the phone. We have to tap on power key, select power off. Now we have to enter the recovery mode, so you have to tap on power key and volume up key, hold both keys all together. Let me do it one more time. And now just wait a couple of seconds. As only you see Android logo, simply tap on power key and then hit volume up key once. And now you're in Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using the volume up and down keys, and for selection use power key. So let's go down, find and pick wipe data and go to yes. And as you can see, data wipe complete. So now select reboot system now, tap on power key and patiently wait until the process is finished. So it will be done all automatically, and afterward you will be able to set up your device as a new one. And that's it. As you can see, now you can set up your device as a new one. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.